feel like crap, like being sick, and then I was just having like a down moment, like just feeling crappy about myself. So this weekend was not really fun. My head is pounding. I feel like I need to eat something. It is Monday, so I do have to do some work. Oh no, it's Tuesday. Oh my god. Not me thinking it's Monday. And see what I can have for breakfast. Something very simple, probably not nutritious. So I hope my week goes better than my weekend did. I look the same as probably the last clip that you saw, but it's actually the next day. Today is Wednesday, and I'm supposed to typically on Wednesdays have my shoot days, but I'm still under the weather a little bit, so I want to actually take my time to fully recover before I just go out. And especially because it is crazy cold in New York today. I think it's like 20 degrees Fahrenheit, which is, let me see how much that is in Celsius. I think it's -2 Celsius right now, which is actually not super terrible, but it was very, very cold in the morning. I had to cancel everything today because I'm just gonna stay inside until I fully feel better, because I have this habit of doing that where I know I don't feel the best, but I'll push myself to go somewhere or do something, and then this whatever virus it is, it just lingers, and then it comes back after 2 weeks, or it'll come back like the next month. And I'm kind of just, I need to give myself a break, like let my body actually heal, recover, and rest. I have a lot of catching up to do. I have to respond to a lot of emails. I have some corset orders. If you don't know, Corset is my jewelry brand, and we're actually doing a sale right now. It's a 30% sale. We started it on Valentine's Day, and I'm gonna let it run until the end of the month. I got a few orders, so I have to fulfill those orders, package them up, and hopefully send them out today. This weekend, when I was feeling like crap and like just not feeling good, I also was feeling really down, like mentally. Like I feel like this is the first time in a very long time where I kind of like beat myself up while I was already down, which I don't do a lot. But this weekend, I don't know what it was. Like I just really beat myself down. Like I felt very like, wow, I don't feel great. I look like shit. I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe I'm not good enough for things. Maybe things are going to fail. Like it was just a lot of like negative thoughts in my head, like creeping in. And every day when I would wake up, I would just wake up and feel like, oh my God, I can't wait for the day to be over. Like I can't wait to go back to sleep, like while I was waking up. And I'm a very self-aware person, so in those moments I'm like, okay bitch, this is depressive, what is going on? But you know what, I just let myself kind of go through the motions of it. I let myself feel very negative for a good 3 to 4 days, and now I'm trying to pick myself up and get back into a little routine. I feel like routine helps, but I struggle with routine a lot. This morning I woke up, I did my morning routine. I also exercised. I walked on my treadmill for an hour and a half because that's how I get my 10,000 steps in. And then I just made myself breakfast. Okay, first real nutritious breakfast in probably over a week. And now I just feel like, okay, let's dive into work. Let's do some things. I want to post some stuff on Instagram and TikTok, like feel productive. Helps me when I'm like feeling really negative about myself. It's not always glitz and glam. It's not always fun. It's not always great vibes. It's not always high up in the sky and positivity is going through the roof. No, sometimes you get these little pockets of sadness. This is what I do, is to just ride through the wave of the sadness, not live in my sadness, because I'm really good at that. I'm really great at living in my sadness. I've done that for very long in the past, and it's something that I'm trying to unlearn, is to not live in my sadness. So go through the sadness, close that door, and just get back up and do something else. This week is going to be probably a boring vlog because, like I said, I'm still not feeling 100, and picking up the camera is a little bit hard when I'm not feeling the best because all I want to do is just lay down. So yeah, it's probably going to be mostly just me at home doing things at home, packaging orders and stuff like that. All right, let's get to work. Okay, guys. I just did an unboxing showing off this beautiful bag that I received. How gorgeous is this? And I'm obsessed with anything chocolate right now. As you can tell, I'm literally wearing chocolate. I just filmed a chocolate look. And then I received this chocolate bag. And I'm a chocolate girl. I mean, I'm black, obviously. Ugh, how beautiful. Gorgeous, obsessed. I need a stunning coat to go with this. Ugh, obsessed. It's from this brand, Demelier. I don't know. If you see me out in the city, just know that I am thinking about my bag while holding her. While I have you here, this wall here is my next big project. I want to put like a library wall, like built in, or like not built in, but like I guess you could say built in. I just haven't found the perfect person yet, or the perfect team to do it for me, and something that fits in my budget, because putting things in your house costs money. Let me clean up a little bit because I made a mess. I just got the coolest delivery ever. Hand delivered to my house by Lancome. This is so cute. All these little snacks in here with some flowers. This is their newest product, which is like a toner, like a hydrating toner. I'm excited to try this. Look at how big this whole thing is. It's super heavy. It's like the cutest thing I've received in a very long time. And the flowers smell incredible. Got home from the Pilates class. That was fun but intense. I feel like such a big bitch whenever I do these classes because I just be in there huffing and puffing. But I'm about to go pack some orders for Chrisette and try to mail those out and go back home and clean up a little bit because I left this place looking crazy before I stepped out. And then I don't know what the evening is gonna bring. I have so much work to do, but it's just like I can never get to it to finish it. So I'm not even gonna tell y'all what I'm gonna do when I get back because I don't even know. But let's pack some orders.